95% women get horny when men. Psychology facts about human attraction is one of the most fascinating areas of psychology, and researchers continue to uncover surprising truths about what triggers desire between men and women. While individual preferences vary, studies consistently show that a very high percentage of women, close to 95%, report increased arousal when certain male behaviors are present. Interestingly, these factors are less about physical perfection and more about subtle cues that reflect confidence, emotional intelligence, and biological fitness. 1. Confidence speaks louder than looks. One of the strongest psychological triggers for women is confidence. Research shows that women tend to feel aroused when men carry themselves with assurance, maintaining steady eye contact, standing tall, and speaking with clarity. Confidence signals security and competence, which are deeply wired evolutionary indicators of a good partner. In fact, women often interpret confident body language as more attractive than a man's actual physical appearance. 2. The power of scent and natural chemistry. Smell plays a surprisingly powerful role in sexual attraction. Studies in human pheromones reveal that women often feel turned on by the natural scent of men whose immune system genes differ from theirs. This biological mechanism ensures genetic diversity in offspring. Interestingly, subtle scents such as clean skin, light cologne, or even the natural smell after exercise can enhance attraction in ways men may not consciously realize. 3. Humor and emotional intelligence. Laughter is more than entertainment, it's a sexual cue. Women often report that a man who can make them laugh naturally boosts their arousal. Humor suggests intelligence, creativity, and social skill, which are all desirable traits. Moreover, emotional intelligence, being able to read emotions, show empathy, and respond sensitively, creates feelings of safety and closeness, which heighten sexual desire. 4. Vocal cues and deep tones. Another subtle factor is the tone of a man's voice. Research shows that deeper voices are often perceived as more masculine and attractive, particularly during a woman's fertile phase of her cycle. A man who speaks calmly and with measured tone projects dominance without aggression, which many women unconsciously find arousing. 5. Physical touch and gentle dominance. Touch activates a flood of neurochemicals like oxytocin and dopamine. Gentle, respectful physical contact, such as a light touch on the arm or guiding a hand during conversation, often signals intimacy and triggers arousal. Women report higher attraction to men who balance strength with tenderness, showing control without forcefulness. 6. Ambition and purpose. Psychologically, women are drawn to men who show direction and purpose in life. Ambition is often linked with resourcefulness and stability, which historically ensured survival. Modern research still finds that women become more sexually responsive to men who display passion and drive in their goals. Final thought. So, why do 95% of women get horny when men exhibit these behaviors? The answer lies in a mix of evolutionary psychology and emotional connection. Attraction is not purely about muscles or money, it is about signals of health, security, intelligence, and empathy. When men project confidence, maintain good hygiene, express humor, and show genuine care, they activate deep psychological mechanisms that naturally spark female arousal.